Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 4, Lesson 25. We've covered simple and compound sentences. Now we add subordinate clauses to the mix and build complex and compound complex sentences. Now we combine clause types. A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. We ate popcorn while we watched the movie. We ate popcorn is the main clause. It could stand alone. While we watched the movie is a subordinate clause. The word while ties it to the main clause. One main, one subordinate. That's a complex sentence. Add even more and you get a compound complex sentence. Two or more main clauses plus at least one subordinate clause. I was in the yard when Tony called, and I didn't hear the phone. I was in the yard is a main clause. When Tony called is subordinate, and I didn't hear the phone is a second main clause. Two main clauses plus a subordinate clause. That's compound complex. Here's the method, and it's just counting. First, count the main clauses, the ones that could stand alone. Second, count the subordinate clauses, the ones with a signal word. If you have one main clause plus a subordinate clause, it's complex. If you have two or more main clauses plus a subordinate clause, it's compound complex. The deciding factor is always the number of main clauses. One means complex. Two or more means compound complex. Watch this trap. Having lots of subordinate clauses does not make a sentence compound complex. You still need two or more main clauses for that. Although I promised, I couldn't make it because my car wouldn't start. Although I promised is subordinate. I couldn't make it is the one and only main clause. Because my car wouldn't start is subordinate again. So that's one main clause with two subordinate clauses, which is still just complex, not compound complex. Count the main clauses, not the subordinate ones. Let's step back and see all four sentence types together, sorted by the numbers. Simple. One main clause, no subordinate clauses. Compound. Two or more main clauses, no subordinate clauses. Complex. One main clause plus one or more subordinate clauses. And compound complex. Two or more main clauses plus at least one subordinate clause. Count your main clauses and your subordinate clauses, and the name falls right out. Let's put it together. Angela called while you were out, but she didn't leave a message. Angela called is a main clause. While you were out is subordinate, and but she didn't leave a message is a second main clause. Two main clauses plus one subordinate clause, so this is compound complex. Count, and you've named it. Let's practice. Count the main clauses. One main clause means complex. Two or more means compound complex. Pause and try before I answer. Julia cooked the lasagna yesterday because she wouldn't have time today. One main clause plus one subordinate clause starting with because. So the answer is complex. After I had searched everywhere, I found my ring and I put it in my box. Two main clauses. I found my ring and I put it, plus the subordinate, after I had searched. So the answer is compound complex. Therese apologized because she had lost her temper. One main clause, plus one subordinate clause. So the answer is complex. Three more. Remember the trap. Extra subordinate clauses don't make a sentence compound complex. Only extra main clauses do. Pause and try each. My sister is moving because she got a new job. One main clause plus one subordinate clause. So the answer is complex. Even though Carrie is away, the cat sleeps on her bed and the dog waits at her door. Two main clauses. The cat sleeps and the dog waits, plus the subordinate, even though Carrie is away. So the answer is compound complex. Although I promised I'd be there, I couldn't make it because my car wouldn't start. Only one main clause. I couldn't make it. But two subordinate clauses. Two subordinates don't make it compound complex. So the answer is complex. Let's bring it together. A complex sentence has one main clause plus one or more subordinate clauses. A compound complex sentence has two or more main clauses plus at least one subordinate clause. The key is to count the main clauses. One main clause means complex, while two or more means compound complex, no matter how many subordinate clauses tag along. Great work! In Lesson 26, we'll zoom in on one kind of subordinate clause, the adjective clause.